Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and this time I will be doing a test to see how long this device takes to charge from 0% to 100%. So at the moment the battery is totally dead. So let me just power it on and show you all. And there you have it, it switches right back off. That's because the battery is totally dead, guys. So it's at 0%. So we're going to see how long it takes to fully charge, get to 100% using the official Honor Supercharge adapter. So this is the adapter that came with the phone, and it's 22.5 watts supercharge. Also, this phone has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and Honor claims that it lets you watch videos for 3 hours after just 10 minutes of charging. So yeah, we're gonna start the test. So I'm gonna plug in the charger into the phone. Okay, so I've just plugged it in, and now I'm going to start the stopwatch. Okay guys, so I'll be back after 10 minutes just to show you how far the charging has reached. So it's at 0% there. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. See you all soon, guys. Okay guys, so we're almost at 10 minutes. Okay, there it is. Let's check how far it's reached. So supercharging is on, guys, as you can see there. So it's at 15%. I'm not sure if 15% can give you 3 hours to watch videos, but then again, this device only has a 720p display, so it's going to use less power. But I'm not sure if 15% battery life can really give you 3 hours to view videos. I might have to test that out. But yeah, at 10 minutes, we're at 15%. So I'll be back in the next 10 minutes. So when it gets to 20 minutes, we'll see how far it's reached. See you all soon. Okay, back again. So it's at 20 minutes. Let's have a look. It's at 29%. So that's roughly just over 14% every 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I'll be back at 30 minutes and then we'll check and see how far it's reached. See you all soon. Okay, so we're almost at 30 minutes. And we're at 40%. Okay, so I'll be back at 40 minutes and we'll see how far the charging has reached. See you all soon. Okay, back again, so we're almost at 40 minutes. Let's check to see how far the charging has reached. So it's at 52%. 53% now. Okay, so that's just past halfway. So I would say, judging on the speed, it will take about 1 hour and 15 to 20 minutes for a full charge. However, I could be wrong. Let's wait and see. Okay, so I'll be back when it gets to 50 minutes and then we'll check the charging percentage again to see how far it's reached. See you all soon. Okay, back again. We're almost at 50 minutes. So let's check to see how far the battery has reached. It's at 64%. Okay guys, so I'll be back at 60 minutes, which will be 1 hour. See you all soon. Okay guys, back again, and we're at 60 minutes, which is approximately 1 hour. So let's check. Okay, so the battery's at 74% now. Okay, so I'll be back at 1 hour and 10 minutes. See you all soon. Okay, back again, so it's almost 1 hour 10 minutes. Let's have a look, see how far the battery has reached. 83% at 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back in the next 10 minutes. So see you all soon. Okay, back again. So we're almost at 1 hour 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Okay, so the battery is at 91%. Okay, so I'm guessing another 10 minutes and it should be fully charged. See you all soon. I'll be back at 1. In fact, I'll just be back once it's fully charged, guys. See you all soon. Okay, guys, Android Doctor back again, and the phone has fully charged at 1 hour and 53 minutes, 19 seconds. So it's 100%. Okay guys, so I know that at the beginning of the video I estimated that it would take roughly about between 1 hour 15 to 20 minutes to charge, and my estimate would have been correct because the charging speed was doing so good. But I noticed as soon as it got to 90%, it slowed right down. Slowed right down, guys. So yeah, the total time for this phone to charge from a dead battery at 0% to 100% is going to take you 1 hour and 53 minutes. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, guys. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.